EssProM EPM Simplified.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an essential process for anyone working with financial systems. The three-way matching with transaction matching, specifically how it works in NetSuite Account Reconciliation. So let's jump right in. This test case is about three data source match process with transaction matching. With three-way matching, or multiple data source, ARCS can match transactions more than two data sources as well. In this case, we have kept one subsystem and two source systems. We are taking three data sources, namely bank, GL, and POS. Some transactions appear only in the GL or bank, but not in POS, for example, bank fees. These still need to be matched, so we set up a separate match between GL and bank. There are two POS files used, normal for bank and inverse for GL. Both POS files contain the same data, but in the inverse file, the amounts are flipped to the opposite sign. This way, the POS files cancel each other out, net to zero, and only the GL and bank hold the actual balances. From the NSAR homepage, we click on the Match Types tab. We have created one match type. We have given the name as three-way matching. So what we did was that we have created the data sources for bank, GL, and POS, and these are the attributes for the data. We can also assign source system or subsystem for each of the data source. So we have given bank as subsystem, GL as source system, and POS also as source system. Under bank, all the debit-credit transactions are recorded coming from the bank statement. All the transactions that have been posted are going to GL. Some transactions appear only in the GL or bank, but not in POS. We will make the match processes as bank and GL, bank and POS, POS and GL. The transactions in POS, all are file-based loading. In the file, we will create an integration in such a way that the data which are getting loaded in POS will be inverse of what will be loaded in GL. Now we go to the match process. See, the GL and POS will be GL and IPOS, inverse of POS, which is a single data source. POS and bank is two data source. Same for GL and bank. We will then load the data files from the jobs, and on successful loading we will then see the transactions. We click on the Configuration tab, under which we go to the Formats and create a format for three-way matching. Select the match type that we created earlier and save and close. Then we will go to the Profiles tab. We create a new profile for this. We will be taking the necessary attributes as per the business requirement, like the account ID, risk rating, etc. We will make sure to select the correct format that we created. Then under Workflow, we will select the preparer. We then select the currency as functional. We can select functional or entered anything and save and close. Now we go back to the homepage, we click the Matching tab. We will see transaction-wise. From above, we will select the three-way matching match type that we created and the data sources as GL, bank, and POS. We can see that there are 22 items loaded. First, we will see the GL and IPOS, which are both been loaded in GL. So, both are showing GL, and the amount for opposite signs have been matched. Then the next one is bank and POS matching, and the same amount is matched. Similarly, the last one, bank with GL, which was loaded as bank fee, will be matched with the same amount. This is how we match the three data sources. Any differences that don't match will be checked and fixed by reconciling as needed. If you find this walkthrough helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For any queries, reach out to us at support@essproM.com. Thanks for watching.